Hi, this is Cherie with Rehashfiber. Today I'm going to teach you how to card raw cotton and make punis from it. It is super fun to do. Now we're going to take our carder. It's best if you have a fine tooth carder and you hold it with palm up, because in a little bit you're going to be tipping and that will just help you with that. Start loading up your carder from handle to tip. You don't want it too full, just enough so that you can do some decent brushing. And you don't want to jam it down in, because what we're doing is just that, gentle brushing. So remember, gentle's what we're going for here. I start at the tip and just start working my way up, gently brushing. All right, now I'm going to pass it back. So I'm going to gently pass this one down and this one up, and look at this. It's back on the carder, and we're going to gently brush again. Once you get the hang of doing this, it is super fun. We're going to do that process one more time. Turn hand, this one goes down, the right hand goes up, and we pass it back on. There we go, one more brushing. All right, now we're going to do that again, where we pass it down, but then we're going to bring it up again so we make sure it's really loose from the tongs, and one more time so it's sitting on top. Now you're ready to make the puni. Take your dowel and start from one end and just start rolling it up. We got cotton everywhere. And I usually take my hands and just kind of gently work it over so that it's all together, sealing that puni right up. Now slide it off the dowel, and there you have it, ready to spin. See how fun it is? All right, everybody, happy carding your cotton, and thanks for watching.